All right, so the first channel that I want to show off is a new channel that recently popped up called UA Warrior, okay? So this one is specifically talking about, seems like the Russian-Ukraine situation is what they're talking about, and just almost like military is what the niche would be considered as. Now, here's the thing. They started 2 months ago, okay? So remember this, 2 months ago they started, and you can see here 49,000 views on this video, 80,000 views, and it's literally just videos of them breaking down the war, okay? And some strategies behind the war and different weapons that are being used during it. Now, some of it could be fake news. I want to clarify that. Sometimes I find these channels, I have not verified if they're fake or real news. Sometimes people do make up fake news. Now, YouTube has a very gray area policy on that. It's usually not allowed, just to let you know. I'm not saying that they're doing that. I have not verified if any of this stuff is credible news that they're talking about. But I'm just saying, in general, you could talk about credible news and you're completely fine. YouTube's not going to do anything. If you want to be fake about it, that's a gray area. You're playing a gray area. But I'm just saying, regardless, just covering the news regarding the situation is getting a lot of views. And now I want to show you how much this channel is making. This channel right now, because it just started 2 months ago, it's doing about $4,000 a month, which is pretty good. But I know a lot of you guys are like, well, I'm looking for gold mine niches, Caleb. Like, I want to find niches that are making money right now. Well, what I want to show you is how a channel that just started like this has the potential to do over $100,000 a month. I'm going to show you proof of why this has a huge potential and why you want to find early sign channels. You want to find channels who are newer, which is what I teach my clients. Find channels that are somewhat newer in the last 6 months to a year that are going viral, because they're going to compound into big money into the future. And this channel has the potential to do 100K a month. Why do I say that? Because there's another channel in this niche that is obviously very established that has 1.8 million subscribers, and they're getting hundreds of thousands of views talking about the exact same thing. And this is how much they're pulling: 117